Oh, Miss Chloe, I think you're very suitable for our company. So do you have any questions for us?
Yes, when can I start?
Oh, you can start anytime. When can you start?
Oh, really?
Wait!
Who are you?
I'm Chloe boyfriend. I've just checked the company finances. This cash flow is negative. That is super tremendous. And it's a pyramid scheme.
Sorry.
The margin is negative.
Sorry.
No,
Yeah,
let's
sorry.
go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Oh, no. Wow, this bed is really nice.
Oh man, you got very good taste. This is the latest design from Italy. And it's very cheap. Now it's on sale. It's
How much?
only for $2,000 instead of $30,000.
God,
Yeah,
it's
and-
really worth it.
Yes, and you can buy using installment
Okay.
as well.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Wait! Chloe, don't buy this.
Why?
Because I just checked. The company is making a lot of profits. And you know why the company is making a lot of profit? Because this bag originally cost is only $200, but it's going to sell you at $2,000. We should buy the store instead. Come, let's go. Yes.
Wait, my card.
Yes, let's go. We buy the store.
Hi ma'am, sir, this is your receipt. I hope you enjoy yourself. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You can keep the change.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wait! This amount, Chloe, if you compound it at 20% annually, it's worth almost 200,000. You're going to give this 200,000 to him?
But
You're
just-
out of your mind. No. Let's
just
go.
$10.
No. Let's go.
Hey,
Let's
wait,
go.
I haven't
Let's go.
finished my coffee.
Wait. Let's go. Chloe, we have known each other for 7 years already.
Okay.
Come have a seat.
What are you doing?
Chloe, will you marry me?
Oh my god. Is that it?
Oh, I forgot. I have prepared a special gift for you, Chloe.
Really?
Yes,
What is that?
it's from Tiffany & Co.
Oh my god, Tiffany! This is my favorite brand! Huh? What is this?
This is Tiffany & Co shares.
Tiffany and Co. common stock certificate
Yes.
1000?
Yes.
What rubbish is this? It's just nonsensical.
Wait! Chloe, why are you angry?
You don't love me, you don't allow me to buy bags, you don't allow me to give tips, you don't even give me a common stocks for proposal.
I'm actually preparing for our future. I'm compounding all this so that we can have a bright future. Boss, I want to be your best investment.
No need to wait. Carry on. I'm not here.